In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear splash guard on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located in the wheel well. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 3 bolts for the splash guard. Remove the 3 plastic clips for the splash shield. Using a trim tool, popping the clip open, pulling it out, remove the splash guard, install the splash guard, install the clip, lock it down, get all the bolts started, snug them down, repeat the same thing on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.